Just wanted to say something. Stop. Please stop setting limitations for yourself. There's nothing you can't do when you put your mind to it. You don't have to go all the way out and buy brand new equipment. You don't have to put yourself in a bind. You can work a job, save your money, invest your money, and get your equipment so that way you can be independent. I just made some good cash, independent cash, $325 on a service call. The service call took me 5 hours to make. So you can do the math on how much I charge. But I made $325 in 5 hours. Being independent, having my own equipment, having my welder, being ready, having my ads out there. This guy told me, the guy that I just met, he seen my ad because I posted a sign up close by where I live at, and I said, certified welder, call if you need assistance. This guy said he was driving and pulled over because he needed a certified welder to come help him. And I just helped him out. Now he's saying he got buku work. And I'm like, hey man, I needed somebody like you that'll show up on time. You did what you said you was gonna do. You know your stuff. Man, that's very valuable. And it is good people out here looking for someone like us, someone that's independent, someone that's ready to go get it. So if you a go-getter, go get that money. Hold on.